Red, yellow, or blue? Can you guess the right flower hue? Which flower is famous for its white petals and yellow center, often seen in gardens? The correct answer is A. Daisy. Which flower displays beautiful shades of red, pink, and purple and is a symbol of elegance and dignity? The correct answer is B. Dahlia. Which rare and sacred flower is known for its brilliant blue color and spiritual symbolism in ancient Egypt? The correct answer is A. Blue lotus. How many colors did you guess right? Comment your score.